me side eye, side eye, side eye. Did I do something wrong, baby doll? You need to slow your roll. Something's wrong with the way you look at me, like a lion hunting down a gazelle in a cheap motel. I never meant to do you no wrong, that was never my intention. When a woman walks by with them double wide hips, it deserves my attention, my attention. What the hell did I do to deserve that look from you? You stare right through my soul, and that's not cool. You look at me with that side eye, with that side eye. Took for a weekend in Atlantic City. You said you felt like it, put it all on black and never look back. But I'm sorry